A black box of the China Eastern Airlines passenger plane that crashed into a mountain Monday in South China's Guangxi ژوآنگ Autonomous Region was recovered at about 4 p.m. Wednesday. How was it found? At about 6 p.m. Tuesday, officers of Guangxi Armed Police found some orange-red fragments that might be the black box parts at the accident site. They immediately marked the location, recorded footage, and reported the find to the headquarters. At 4:10 p.m. Wednesday, experts with the Civil Aviation Administration of China entered the core area again. Through video analysis and on-site evidence collection, experts decided to clean up the debris around the marked area, and intensified searching at the site. At 4:15 p.m. Wednesday, searchers unearthed an orange-red object near the area. After multiple verifications, it proved to be one of the two black boxes of flight MU-5735. The exterior of the black box has been severely damaged, but its data storage unit is relatively complete despite some damage, according to an aviation official.